everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today I'm super excited because we're opening up a mystery bag, and this is an OFRA mystery bag. So I was actually kind of on a no-buy, but I stumbled upon these because I got an email from OFRA that they were selling some hand sanitizer, so I wanted to pick some up. So I actually picked up 2 OFRA hand sanitizers. I think they're using their labs to create some. So if you guys are interested, I'll link their hand sanitizer down below. But when I saw that, I was on their website, you know, adding the hand sanitizer to my cart, and then I saw they had not 1, not 2, but 3 different mystery bags available, and 2 were ones I've never heard of. So we have the OFRA Perfecting Beauty Everyday Makeup mystery bag today. So it came in this bag here. I have not opened it. I have no idea what's inside. I'm really hoping it is good because I've had some OFRA beauty boxes or beauty bags in the past, and there were some repeats. So there's the makeup version, and there's also the similar version, but it's skincare, and those 2 are still available, so I'll link them down below. They're both $35, both the makeup and the skincare mystery bags, and you're supposed to get at least $85 worth of value in at least 4 items in each of the bags. And I think it's really great that we get a reusable bag like this. Like, this seems really sturdy and nice. So yeah, everything will be linked down below, and let's get started. So I'm just gonna unzipper it here. Let's pull one thing out at a time. I was gonna pull it all out, but let's pull the first thing. So this looks like it is a repeat, but it's a repeat I don't mind. I think I've actually gotten this in 3 OFRA beauty bags. These are the OFRA Cleanse It Off, You'll Love Your Glam, but you'll also love taking it off. So these are like lip wipes, but I just use them for makeup remover. Like when I'm doing swatches here on camera and stuff, I will use this. Sometimes I'll use it for my lips too. They are effective. So yeah, this is a repeat item, but I'm okay with it. So I think I might have a playlist for my OFRA mystery bags, or it might just be OFRA mystery bags in general, or if I don't, I'll either link the playlist or my last OFRA unboxing. But yep, so first I have these wipes. I'll also leave the value of all the items I received on the screen and the total at the end, so we can see if we actually got $85 worth. Next up, it looks like we have an OFRA highlight. I love OFRA highlighters. They are blingy. Like, if you like a blingy highlight, you'll love OFRA highlights. And let's see, I think this is one I don't have, yay! So it says TALIA collab. I'm not exactly sure who that is, but it's a highlighter. It says liquid to bake formula creates show-stopping pigments that melt into skin. And it looks like we received it in the shade SOHO. So it says be a 24/7 glow getter. Show off your most loved features in our glow-inducing highlighters. Oh man, I'm so excited to see what this looks like. I don't know if I've even heard of this one. So it has their newer packaging, and that's what it looks like on the back. Who is TALIA? Where's my phone? Oh, so I just looked it up. TALIA, she's 23. She's a British YouTuber, singer, and internet personality, and she is beautiful. So let's see what highlight she made. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It's different than other highlights I have. So it's nice there's a mirror. I mean, I never end up using those mirrors, but it's like kind of peachy, or I don't know, but it's different. Let's swatch it. It's like kind of even orange. I mean, I kind of have remnants of a swatch from earlier, but you can see it there. I think this might be really pretty. Like with like peachy spring eye looks too. Oh man, I am so excited to get a highlight. I bet this collab was like in the past and is no longer available, and that's why it's in their mystery bags, but I don't mind. Oh man, I know I said I just put this information on the screen, but this collab is still available, and this highlight is $35. And it's described as a sparkling champagne peach. That is a great way to describe it. I knew the peach part, but yeah, champagne peach. I think it's so pretty. Next up, we have some of the OFRA Makeup Fixer. I actually used this morning when I first did my makeup. I've had my makeup on all day. Hopefully I'm not looking too rough here. But I have a bigger size. Let me grab it. Oh wait, I thought it was a bigger size, but they look like they're different colors. So yeah, I had this already. Maybe I got it in a past OFRA bag, but I don't mind getting more setting sprays. So Yeah, it looks like the color is different, but they're the same product. Makeup Fixer, light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long, 2 ounces, so you can travel with this, which is nice. But I just started using the Makeup Fixer because I ran out of another one. I'm like, you know what, I need to give this a shot, and I actually do like it and think it does make your makeup last, so I am okay with getting this again, even though I have it. It looks like we have a lipstick here, and this is the OFRA Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Panama. This is a pink. I like pinks though. I'm pretty sure I don't have this. I have quite a few OFRA lippies. I'm just gonna double check even though I'm pretty positive I don't have it. All right, I was right. I found like 6 or 7 other liquid lipsticks and not this one. So yeah, very pink. I'm not sure everyone would like this, but I'm excited. Let's see how it swatches. So it has the regular doe foot. Ooh, this is like Barbie pink. I'm excited. I like OFRA liquid lipstick, so this is definitely probably a color I won't use all the time, but I'm so happy that I don't have it already, and I don't even think I have a dupe of this in my collection right now, so I will definitely be playing with this soon. And then we have one more item here, this little compact, and this is the OFRA banana powder. So I have one of these like in a Z palette, and this is a repeat from a past box, but in the past box we got like a little OFRA Z palette, and then I got the banana powder, and I honestly never use it. I think banana powder is, I feel like I was just saying that word, banana powder is mostly for like correcting under eye like darkness. How do I get this? Oh, you just slide it. I'm like, I can't get it open, but here, I'll swatch it for you. I honestly never use mine. But just like a yellow powder. I think it's probably better for tone, like people that have deeper skin tones maybe. I will try it out as a reminder, but I think it's cool. It's in this little compact. It's super cute. It's a little mirror. But I will be passing this one on because I know I will not go through my current one. So that was everything. And that is what the inside of the bag looks like. So we got 5 items, and I am definitely going to keep 4 out of the 5. The only one I know for sure I'm going to pass on is this little banana powder because I know someone else will like it way more than me. But I am super excited to try this highlight on. Maybe I'll just try it now even though I already have like a pretty like blingy like pink highlight on. But it has been a while. You know what? F it. Let's try it. Where am I going to go anyways? The little mirror is actually coming in handy. So sometimes I think it's better to use a more fluffier, like less dense brush for highlights when you use OFRA formula just because it is so pigmented. Sometimes more dense brushes can just lay it on like way more. Just gonna lightly brush it on. Oh, this is so pretty. Like it's definitely a lot, but I don't have any other highlight like this in my collection. Yeah, that is pretty obvious highlight, but I think it's really pretty. I think it would look really good if I get like a beauty blender. Sometimes I do that with highlight. You just kind of stamp it on like with nothing on it just to kind of make it seep into the skin, look a little bit more natural. But I love that it's something different that I don't have in my collection, along with this liquid lipstick. Like I don't know how often I'll use each of them, like especially the lipstick. And it's drying down. It looks like it's not fully dry yet. Usually the OFRA lipsticks dry down all the way. But it looks like it's getting there. But yeah, I won't wear this all the time, but I think it's fun to have. I'll definitely use the wipes. I typically don't buy wipes now just for like environmental reasons, but I honestly am happy to have them because they do make life easier sometimes. And I have the Makeup Fixer, but that's cool with me. I can use more setting spray, but if I, you know, or if not, I'll just pass it on because I think it's really great. So I think I'm the most excited about the highlight and the lip. But yeah, I think this was totally worth the $35. Again, I'm gonna leave like the total of everything on the screen. They said it's supposed to be $85 in value. There has been a time in the past where they're a little short on what they claim. But you guys, I think this is great. 2 repeats, only 1 that bothers me. I've had the same exact bag sent to me before, so maybe that's why I'm feeling a little bit more lenient from it. But we have 5 items, and I think this for sure counts as another item, so a 6th item because it is such high quality. But anyways, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below, and if you guys got the OFRA mystery bag, the makeup version especially, and the skincare, let me know what you got. Are all the bags the same or are they different? But yeah, I'm gonna link them down below along with the hand sanitizers, just if you guys were desperate like me. Like the little, these are only 1 ounce each. I kind of wish I got more, but yeah, they're only 1 ounce, but they're $5. But I mean, it's not as ridiculous as some places are trying to sell hand sanitizer now, and it's just nice to know I have some. I tried it once, and it doesn't smell amazing, but like, that's probably a good thing, you know? It's like just made of alcohol, like it just doesn't have a bunch of added fragrance like, you know, the Bath and Body Works little ones do. But yeah, that'll all be down below. Please leave your thoughts, and yeah, thank you so much for being here and watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.